Hello everyone. Okay, today for this lesson I will show to you on how to change this area of headphone with pattern. So this is solid color, then I will change it to pattern. So firstly I will copy first this model, so I will make it unique. Okay, add scene. Okay, so to change this to pattern, so we need to know what is the material before this. Okay, so before this we use plastic simple blurry black. So I think I just want to use this, and we just duplicate, and then you can rename it to pattern. Alright, so for this pattern you can change it with this icon, which is texture slot. You click on this, then you go to bitmap. Okay, so for now I just google the pattern, so this is what I will use, the abstract background. Okay, alright, so this will be our pattern. Okay, so we turn on the interactive render first. Okay, the render output, we make it smaller. Alright, then we hit the render button. Okay, so this is the render before this, so we need to apply the pattern to this. So we go to material. Okay, we select this part. Okay, this part, and we apply to selection. Alright, so we didn't see the changes, so we need to decrease the light. Okay, for now I think I want to make this rectangle light to make unique for these three rectangle light. Make unique, and make unique. Okay, so for these three lights I want to increase the intensity 100. Okay, we go to scene first to see. Okay, I think it's okay. 400. Okay, so I go to this part. Oh, I select the wrong material. Ha 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 ha. Okay, sorry. So I select this pattern, simple blurry pattern, add the selection. Okay, now it has changed to this pattern. So what we need to do is first we need to scale the pattern. Okay, so I think we can use this size, or we also can use this texture slot, and we go to texture placement. Okay, so we set this to environment, so the differences, right? Okay, so you can adjust with this mapping. Try it with angular, like this, or cubic, maybe like this. Spherical, mirror ball, and the last one is screen. Okay, so you can choose whatever pattern you like and use whatever that you use and use whatever you like in this area. Okay, for me, I want to choose screen. Okay, I'm choosing the screen. Alright, then I think I want to change this emissive to yellow color. So what I will do is just duplicate this, and you can just rename it to, let's say, yellow. Alright, so you can change the color to yellow color. Maybe the intensity, we make it 1 first. Okay, so maybe like this. Okay, I can use this one. So now you can select the emissive here. You replace with this emissive. So you need to apply the selection. Okay, so it has changed. So this one we need to change also to yellow color. Alright, then this one also I change to yellow color. Apply to selection. Alright, we go to this pattern. Okay, this is a matte color, right? So if you want to make it reflection, we can adjust the reflection color. Okay, if we change to 0.8, okay, so this is the reflection. So if you want to increase the reflection, you can just make it 1, so it will become like this. But for me, I don't want it to be shiny. I want to be a bit more to matte color. So I just want to use the 0.8, maybe. Yeah, like this. It's a bit shiny. Okay, so I think I want to change this emissive. Alright, so we can make it as 20. Okay, if I make it 30, okay, it's so shine. I think I want to make it 20. 20 first. Okay, 20. Alright, so let's stop the render and try to look. Set the image with 2000 times 1.6. Then we try to render it. Okay, for that I need to change this. Okay, I think I want to lower a bit the intensity of the rectangle line. Alright, emissive. So I try to render it. Alright, we'll be back right after this render finish. Okay, we just finished the render, so we save it first. Headphone render scene 3. Okay, now I will render with night setting, so I may decrease this to 3, value to 3, so we see what will happen. Okay, so we want to focus on this emissive only, but still we can see also the pattern for this part. So we can see the emissive distribution here. I need to know whether I need to increase this area, the emissive value, or not. Okay, so this is 15, so I try to make it 20. Let me see. Okay, I think I'm satisfied with this setting, so let's render of the interactive render. Okay, hit the render button. Okay, we will continue after this. Okay, so now is the result of the new emissive and the new scene. So we try to save this first to scene 3 9. Okay, so if you're not satisfied, then you can change it the exposure. So if you want to be a bit darker, you can just slide to the negative to make the emissive, to see the emissive result. Okay. Okay, let's say something like this. Something like this. Okay. Save to C3. Now new exposure. Alright. So you can see the different with exposure and non-exposure. So I want to set the comparison, the A/B test. Apa benda yang aku buat ni? Wait. So this is day and night. Day and night. Okay. If we set this as A, you see this part. Not so much different, right? That's okay lah. So what about we compare to this? Okay, this one is with the red emissive and yellow emissive. You see the difference? So that's how you can play with the emissive. Okay, alright, that's all for today's. See ya.